அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Now we see about the advent of the Europeans, 8th history first lesson, state board. Choose. Who laid the foundation of Portuguese power in India? Answer: Alfonso de Albuquerque. Second, which of the following European nation was the foremost attempt to discover the sea route of India? Answer: Portugal. In 1453, Constantinople was captured by Turks. Sir William Hawkins belonged to Portugal. Fifth, the first fort constructed by the British in India was Fort St. George. Sixth, who among the following Europeans were the last to come India as trader? Answer: French. Tranquebar on the Tamil Nadu coast was the trade center of the Danish. Next, fill in the blanks. National Archives of India, NAI shortly, is located in the Delhi. Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, was patronized by King John II. Third, the printing press in India was set up by the Portugal at Goa in 1556. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir permitted the English to trade in India. Fifth one, the French East India Company was formed by Colbert. Sixth, Christian IV, the King of Denmark, issued a charter to create Danish English East India Company. And now we see about the match. The following: the Dutch answer 1602, the British answer 1600, the Danish answer 1616, fourth one the French 1664. True or false? Autobiography is one of the written source. Answer: true. Coins are one of the material source. True. Anandarangam was a translator served under British. False. The place where historical documents are preserved is called archives. Consider the following statement and take the appropriate answer. Answer is 1, 2, 4 are correct. Governor Nino de Gunda moved Portuguese capital from Cochin to Goa. Portuguese were the last to leave from in India. The Dutch founded their first factory at Surat. Sir Thomas Roe was sent to Jahangir's court by King James I of England. 1, 2, 4 are correct. This one wrong. Find out the wrong pair. Captain Hawkins, Britain. Thank you, students.